In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete voice memos on iPhone. So I'm starting on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm going to do is open the Settings app. Once Settings opens up, I'm just going to scroll down through the menu until I find Apps. You may need to go a little farther down depending on where you are in the list. So just keep scrolling until you see it. As soon as Apps appears, I'm going to tap on that. Now I'm inside the Apps section, and from here I need to find Voice Memos. Since the apps are listed alphabetically, I'm just going to keep scrolling down until I get to the V section. I'm moving through the list looking for voice memos, and once I find it, I'll tap on it to open the settings for that app. Now that I'm in the voice memos settings, I'm going to look for the option called clear deleted. I'm just checking through the settings on this page until I see it. Once clear deleted shows up, I'm going to tap on that. At this point, I'm on the clear deleted setting, and this is where I can choose how deleted voice memos are handled on the iPhone. What I want to do here is select immediately. So I'm going to tap on immediately, and once that's selected, that means deleted voice memos will be cleared right away instead of staying around for later. This is the part that changes the behavior for permanently deleting them, so once immediately is selected, that's the setting you need. There's nothing extra I have to save here, and there's no separate confirmation step in these instructions. The change takes effect as soon as I choose that option. I'll just go over the full path again while I'm here, so it's easy to follow. We opened settings, then scrolled down and tapped on apps. After that we found and opened voice memos. Then we tapped on clear deleted, and from there we selected immediately. That's what sets deleted voice memos to be permanently cleared right away. If you're following along with me on your own iPhone, just take your time while scrolling through the apps list, because that's usually the only part that takes a little longer. Once you get to voice memos, the rest is very simple. You just open the app settings, tap on clear deleted, and then choose immediately. So I'm still on this setting now, and I can double check that immediately is selected before backing out. Usually there's an indicator showing the active choice, so that makes it easy to confirm that the change went through. As long as immediately is selected, then the setting is already in place. Once that's done, you can simply return to the previous screen or close the settings app completely, and your change will already be saved. From now on, when voice memos are deleted, they'll be cleared based on that selection. So this is the setting you want if your goal is to permanently delete voice memos on iPhone instead of having them remain in a deleted section for a while. And that's really all there is to it. Just open settings, go to apps, tap on voice memos, open clear deleted, and choose immediately. Once you know where this option is, it only takes a moment to change. So that's how to permanently delete voice memos on iPhone.